Joe and Dylan here at Anderson Industrial Engines. Let's talk parts. Kind of our favorite thing to do, isn't it?
Love parts.
What do we have here, Dylan?
Today we're going to be talking about Kubota's full engine overhaul kits. They're genuine Kubota engine parts, no aftermarket will fits. These are genuine Kubota.
Are these the same parts they use when they build the engine?
Absolutely.
Awesome. So, say I was a Kubota dealer and I've got an engine in for an overhaul. How hard is it to find the right kit?
Joe, it's easy. Serial number, model number, we can match up to whatever you need.
And this will be top to bottom, so one part number is going to get me all the parts I need?
One part number gets you all the parts that you need. Depending on what the engine needs, we've got standard and oversized bearings and pistons. So if we need to mix and match, say we need standard pistons, oversized bearings, or oversized pistons, standard bearings, this kit, each part number can get you what you need.
You just told me I can buy this all with one part number. What does the pricing look like?
There's significant cost effectiveness to go with a full kit as opposed to buying each individual part separately. So there's significant cost savings doing an engine overhaul kit.
Should we show them what's in the kit?
Yeah. So mains, pistons, piston rings, your bearings, full gasket set, upper and lower. It's going to get you all your O-rings, your seals, your gaskets, pistons, fresh oil filter, thermostat, and your valve train.
So these are the complete kits?
Complete kits.
So the rings, the piston, head.
Your collars, your wrist pins.
So I don't have to sit at a computer and look up what the Super Session series was or what piston I need to use?
Nope, it's all straightforward.
So basically you're telling me I could take an engine block down to the local machine shop, have it either honed out or oversized, and find the kit that's gonna fit it, and I'm gonna have a really professional done block, complete engine when I'm done.
Complete, correct.
That's great. I guess so the thought that comes to mind to me a lot is some of our engines are small enough that to take them and send them out for an overhaul is not gonna be cost competitive. But like a light tower engine that you could go through and like let's say a D1105 3-cylinder, you're telling me it'd be relatively easy to do overhaul on it and get another life out of the engine.
Absolutely, it'll save time, efficiency in one kit. If you yourself brand new fresh internals, that engine's gonna go a lot longer.
So we're seeing long engine life on a lot of the engines we see. You know, we have light towers out there that 20, 30,000 hours. When I talk to a lot of different guys out there that are overhauling, they say, I can usually drop standards right back into that hole.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
So that means that we've got a lot of tolerance available that we could actually do oversized. They might get 2 overhauls out of an engine.
Absolutely.
So it wouldn't be uncommon to see an engine out there with a load of hours.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you have long life hours on these engines with genuine Kubota parts. That engine's gonna run even longer.
So Dylan, you were telling me that one part number is gonna get this whole box.
Mm-hmm.
If you've got the box in stock, I'm not gonna have to worry about a piston being on back order or not being able to get an upper gasket set.
Nope, with this kit, this thing's ready to ship same day. We have it in stock, get it to you tomorrow.
One part number. You still scare me though. You know, I hear about these engine allocations and how engines aren't available and everyone's scrambling to get replacement engines. If I called you and ordered that, would it be on the shelf?
Absolutely, we're combating engine allocations right now by stocking more engine overhaul kits so we can get these things out as fast as we can, because time is money, time is valuable. Your engine needs to be up and going.
So basically, with our 3 distribution centers, we could get this to a dealer. If they wanted to do it next day, they could have it next day. Otherwise, 2 days, they would have everything they need to overhaul their engine?
Everything they need. By the time that engine gets back from the machine shop, you can start putting this engine back together, get this piece of equipment back to doing its job. Joe, how many kits do we have available?
Well, Kubota came out with this roughly about 2 years ago, and they started with the most required components, put them together, boxed them under the one part number, And when it originally started, there's 10. I think we're up to about 36 kits now.
Wow.
So, you know, we've got anything back to, you know, tier 1 type emissions all the way up to tier 4 emissions. You know, then you mix in the oversized pistons or the oversized vanes, and basically anyone out there, we can find them an overhaul for their engine.
So we've got everything we need to get that Kubota engine.
Everything we need to get that Kubota engine going. If we don't have the kit, we'll make a kit for you. So in case you guys don't know out there, we have 3 distribution centers in our territory. We got one down in Kansas City. We're in Omaha today. Modesto, California. With the 16 states that we cover, we have 3 different call centers that all work together. There's multiple ways to get a hold of us. We got email, Spark, you need to check it out if you haven't seen it. That's our new online portal that's got all of our parts listed. You'll see the kits. There's some verbiage in there showing what they fit. For further contact information, if you do want to order a kit or know more about it, I've got a knowledgeable team here that's willing to help you find the kit you're looking for. You know, there's multiple ways, like Dylan said, to get a hold of us. The best way is sending an email to parts@aiengines.com. That's PARTS@AI-engines.com. Further contact information is in the description down below.